AI has become a game-changer in space exploration, enabling NASA to accomplish incredible feats like landing the Perseverance rover on Mars. After a 203-day journey, the rover faced the 7 minutes of terror, a nail-biting descent where real-time control from Earth was impossible due to the communication delay. Instead, NASA relied on AI-powered systems to scan the Martian surface and guide Perseverance to a safe landing in Jezero crater. But the AI's role didn't stop there. Perseverance is equipped with advanced tools like the Pixel instrument, which uses AI to precisely target rocks and analyze their chemical composition. Its SuperCam even zaps rocks with a laser, studying the vaporized material to unlock Mars' geological secrets. AI and machine learning are not just useful for landing and exploration. They shape the future of space missions. They help spacecraft perform autonomous navigation, avoid space debris, and manage large amounts of data collected from scientific missions. NASA's OSAM-1 mission will even use AI-guided robotics to service and upgrade satellites in orbit. Mission planning has also evolved with AI. The technology automates complex schedules, optimizes spacecraft routes, and adapts to unexpected conditions. This reduces human workload and allows scientists to focus on high-value research while letting AI handle repetitive tasks. Data collection is another critical area. AI can filter vast amounts of data, prioritizing important findings and discarding irrelevant information. This ensures that ground teams receive only the most critical updates from space missions. By the way, if Mars missions inspire you, check out the Mars Rover STEM Building Kit, or a Mars-themed 3D printed lamp to bring some of that exploration spirit home. Find the links in the description. AI is driving space exploration forward, making the impossible possible. Stay curious and keep exploring the universe with us.